Alright, I've got one of these AC Pros I've already emptied, and I really want to find out if I could still use this perfectly great hose to connect using cheap Walmart canister of r-134a. So let's find out. Alright, I've connected my hose to the low side, and this is a self-sealing can per the front of it here. So let's find out. Yes, it does work. See, it's in the high area here. Alright, this is awesome. Cheap can versus that high-end AC Pro can, which is about 30 bucks. I reattached it. This is much better now. You can feel it getting cold, so it is definitely sucking it out of the can.